What's up, everybody, and welcome back to All Things Duncombe. And I am back with another hair tutorial. So as you can see, I have Bantu knots all over my head. These have been in my head for 3 days. You see the back. Let me turn around so you guys can see the back. So I did use this as a protective style. I had it in my head for 3 days. This is one of my go-to styles when I was transitioning to be natural. Bantu knots was definitely one of my go-to looks because even if you have straighter hair at the ends, all you have to do is tuck it under so you can get a nice curly look. So what I'm going to be doing is taking them down so you guys can see the final look. If you guys want to see my detailed video where I break down how to do the Bantu knots, just check out in the iCards above in the right hand corner and I'll have that video linked. Carry on. So when you're taking any protective style down, the first thing you want to do is make sure you have some oil in your hand. I'm using some almond oil. I'm going to put it in my hand first, all over my hand, and then kind of touch the Bantu knots. And then I'm going to keep it on my fingertips so when I'm taking the hair down, it soaks in that oil. So I'm just going to start in the back. And you see I'm working it through. I'm just going to separate it a little bit. Okay. I'll do the 3 in the back. And I did have some rubber bands, so I'm just gonna pull it so I can pull that rubber band off in the back. Got this one, pull it off. Okay, so you unravel, twist the hair the opposite direction than the knot was. And gently separate the hair. Don't be too rough. As you can see, I have a rubber band on this one, so I'm just pulling the rubber band down and off the hair, and we still have a defined knot. Bring it down. I'll do the ones in the back. And the rubber bands are just slipping right off. Make sure to take your time so you don't skip over any knots and just go section by section, one by one. And I'm just gently separating the hair. Like I said, my hair is shorter, so this is gonna be a fairly quick process. You see, I'm just twisting it around and then separating. Look at that bounce back. All right, let's keep it going. So as I'm going down, that oil from my hands is getting on the hair. Okay. Just gently separating it. So this is what we're looking like before I pick anything out. Let me pick it out so we can get the full effect. Alright y'all, this is basically the final look. It's a nice curly fro. I love the shape of it. And it's just so cute. I mean, look at it y'all. Look like little Shirley Temple. Little Shirley Temple. So yes, this is the final look. Everybody has their own way how they do their hair. This is how I do mine. When I'm picking it out, I like for it to look nice and full, but I don't want to do it too much to mess up the curls. So if you want a bigger look, you just continue to pick it out. But I'm pretty satisfied with the look. I'll show you what it looks like in the back. Okay, nice and defined. So y'all let me know what y'all think in the comments. I miss this style. It's been a while since I did a Bantu knot. So I'm pretty pleased with it. What y'all think? What y'all think? Alright, so this is the look, you guys. You see, you just give face. You just give face, you rock the short too, and you serve face. Alright y'all, I'm done playing. Again, this is the final look. Bantu knot out, one of my go-to favorite styles for protective styles. I definitely have some more content for you guys coming on the way. Please make sure to subscribe, like, comment, share, all the good stuff. Y'all know the drill. It's free, okay? It don't cost you nothing to click that button below. Make sure to tap the bell as well so you can get notified each and every time I post a new video. That's all I have for you guys. Make sure to watch the last video if you want to know exactly how to achieve this look and how I did the Bantu knots nice and detailed for you guys. So again, I'll see you on the next video and I love you guys. Bye.